to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. The 2026 Lincoln Nautilus is redefining what luxury SUVs can offer. From its advanced technology to its spa-like interior features, the Nautilus delivers a driving experience that rivals six-figure European luxury vehicles, all while maintaining a price point that undercuts its competition. Whether it's the 48-inch infotainment display or the serene cabin aromas paired with massaging seats, the Nautilus transforms every journey into a luxurious escape. The interior of the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus is where the magic truly happens. Gone are the days of uninspiring designs. This SUV offers a cabin that rivals the finest luxury sedans. Rejuvenate mode. With Lincoln's exclusive Rejuvenate feature, the interior lighting, seat position, screen visuals, and massaging seats work together to relax occupants. Complementing the ambience are scents like patchouli, cashmere, and fresh linen, dispensed from cartridges in the center armrest. Top-tier audio and comfort. A 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system ensures unparalleled sound quality, while 24-way power-adjustable seats cater to your every comfort need. Elegant design elements. Optional packages bring exquisite details like aluminum accents, copper-colored stitching, and the unique redwood theme, evoking a redwood forest's natural beauty. Everyday comforts. Standard features include a leather-wrapped, heated steering wheel, 10-way adjustable heated and ventilated seats, and remote keyless entry. While cargo space behind the second row is slightly reduced, passenger legroom has been increased, offering unmatched comfort for all occupants. Under the hood, the Nautilus offers two distinct powertrain options. Turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. Power output: 250 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque. Transmission: 8-speed automatic. Drive: all-wheel drive as standard. Hybrid powertrain. Total output: 310 horsepower. Components: turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 paired with a 100 kilowatts electric motor. The twin-turbo V6 previously available is no longer offered, signaling a shift toward improved fuel efficiency and sustainability. On the road, the Nautilus offers a quiet and composed ride. In normal mode, the suspension absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, making for a smooth journey. Switch to Excite mode, and the SUV takes on a sportier character, reducing body roll in corners. However, this mode may introduce a firmer ride, especially with the larger 22-inch wheels. The price of the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus starts at $53,485 and goes up to $76,645 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.